Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix unable to invite or add friends in the finals. If you find this presentation helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working correctly. A poor connection can prevent you from joining or inviting friends on Xbox or PS5. Method 2. Reboot client from both sides. To reboot the game on both ends, simply close the game and restart it. This should refresh the connection and allow you to invite or add friends. Method 3. Enable the crossplay from settings, then add friends. The workaround which helps most player is enable crossplay and try to add friends. To enable crossplay, go to game setting, look for crossplay option, toggle it on and add friend. Add friend button should appear. Here are the detailed steps to enable crossplay on Steam. Launch the finals on Steam, click on settings, open main menu, scroll down to the crossplay option, toggle it open, restart the game and try adding friend again. The add friend button should now appear. Method 4. Try to use Steam browser console command. To use the Steam browser console command, follow this step. Launch the finals on Steam, open it in your Steam browser, press F12 to access the browser console, enter the following command, request play test access, hit enter. This should grant you direct access and enable you to connect with your friends. By following these workarounds, you should be able to invite and add friends in the finals without any issue. However, keep in your mind that these workarounds may not work for everyone, and the developers are working on a permanent fix for the issue. Thanks for watching. That's it. Now you can add or invite friends in the finals.